Okay, so this is for you, Mariam, the difference between notebooks and folders. What we can see here is these are your notebooks and these are your folders up here. A folder you can't write in a folder. You can only write in a notebook. So if we go into this notebook is a hyperlinked PDF, and so it's already been created. You can write on it here. Or draw. You can flick around. If your notebook has hyperlinks, you can go to the different places and find what you need. You can go to the different, you've got to work out how to touch the hyperlinks, and you've got to give it a minute. Nails can get in the way sometimes. So that's how you do that. You can hop out by pressing the cross, and you can also create your own notebook by going up here to add, and then you can pick a type of notebook. You might want the week planner number 2. So you can see sometimes you just have to be persistent. We're going to go to the first page. We're going to call it notebook 3, and we're going to create one using this. And then there you have it. So you can write here. This is a notebook. You can write here. You can write everywhere. Right? And then you can do all sorts of things like erase the page. And when you look at the view of how many pages, there's only one page, but you can also duplicate your pages. So if we go back, and then if we hop out of this notebook, there are all the notebooks. You'll see that new notebook has just turned up here. So that's the difference. A folder has got notebooks in it, whereas a notebook is what you write in. That's the main difference.